Let me show you how to set up the Keboola MCP server for use with the Claude Desktop app. First, click the Try It Now button. Then, select the Claude Desktop section. Here, you'll see all the instructions. In the first step, we'll open a terminal to make sure that we have all the prerequisites installed. We need to copy and paste 3 commands into the terminal. The first one installs a package manager and will require your computer's operating system password. The second command installs the JavaScript environment if you don't have it yet. The third command verifies that the installation was successful. Now we can go to Claude Desktop and open Settings, where the Developers section is located. Click Edit Config to open the config.json file. Next, we'll copy and paste the configuration that allows Claude to connect to our Keboola project and save the file. Now we need to restart Claude so the changes take effect. When it launches again, you'll be prompted to sign into your Keboola project from within Claude. Select the project you want to use and confirm using the blue button at the bottom of the page. Keboola has now been authorized and connected, and all tools are active. So, let's start prompting.